The Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic are set to debut with a fresh design language inspired by the rugged Galaxy Watch Ultra. While the display remains circular, the overall body now features a Squircle shape, a hybrid between square and circle. This design not only enhances the watch's visual appeal but also hints at improved ergonomics and screen real estate. Although renders of this new look have been circulating for weeks, this is the first time Samsung has officially showcased the design through its own software. The latest beta version of the Samsung Health app includes updated visuals and animations that clearly reflect the new Squircle form factor, confirming what leakers and tech insiders have been speculating. Test tube health innovation at its core, antioxidant index and vascular load. Samsung isn't just changing how the Galaxy Watch looks, it's also redefining what it can do. The Health app beta has revealed 2 new experimental features that will debut with the Galaxy Watch 8 series. Antioxidant index. This feature measures your body's ability to neutralize oxidative stress, offering a deeper understanding of your internal health and recovery. It's a first-of-its-kind metric in the smartwatch space, aimed at users who want more than just basic fitness tracking. Vascular load. Designed to assess cardiovascular strain, this feature provides insights into how hard your heart is working during physical activity. It could be especially useful for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and those monitoring heart health. Both features are currently listed under the Labs section of the Health app, indicating that they're in the experimental phase. They will initially be exclusive to the Galaxy Watch 8 series, but Samsung has hinted that support may expand to select older models in the future. Brain-powered by One UI 8 watch and Wear OS 6. These new features are part of the upcoming One UI 8 watch, which is based on Wear OS 6. This next-gen operating system promises a smoother, smarter, and more health-focused user experience. The beta program for One UI 8 watch is expected to roll out soon, giving early adopters a chance to test the new features before the official launch. Mobile phone with Aero interactive health tracking, a new way to measure wellness. The Health app also includes a tutorial video demonstrating how to use the antioxidant measurement tool. Interestingly, the process requires users to remove the watch and place their thumb directly on the sensor located on the back of the device. This suggests that Samsung has upgraded the sensor array in the Galaxy Watch 8, possibly introducing new bio-tracking technologies that go beyond what's currently available. Calendar. What to expect at Samsung Unpacked, July 9, 2025. Samsung's Unpacked 2025 event is shaping up to be one of the most feature-packed in recent memory. Here's a quick look at what's expected. Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 foldable smartphones. Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and Watch Ultra 2025. One UI 8 based on Android 16. A first look at Samsung's XR extended reality headset. Possible updates to Galaxy Buds and other ecosystem devices. With so many major announcements on the horizon, the Galaxy Watch 8 is clearly positioned as a flagship wearable that blends cutting-edge design with advanced health tracking capabilities. Final thoughts. Samsung's decision to quietly confirm the Galaxy Watch 8's design and features through its Health app is a clever move that builds anticipation without giving everything away. The new Squircle design, combined with innovative health metrics like the antioxidant index and vascular load, signals a major leap forward in wearable technology. As we count down to Unpacked 2025, one thing is clear: the Galaxy Watch 8 isn't just a smartwatch, it's a statement about where health tech is headed next.